facilities. During this dark period of nursing, on 12th May 1820, a baby girl was born in a small town called Florence in Italy. She was the daughter of well-to-do English parents, and they wanted her to become a socialite, but she preferred to avoid it. From a very young age, Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick and poor in the village near her, but she was determined to pursue her true calling. Nightingale approached her parents and told them about her ambition to become a nurse. They were not pleased and discouraged her in many ways. After much of these struggles with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as a nursing student in Lutheran Hospital, Germany in 1844. She returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. She was highly dedicated and impressive in her performance. Hence, she was promoted as a superintendent within a year. In October 1853, the Crimean War broke out between England and Russia, which caused massive casualty and injury to the soldiers. England was in an uproar about this neglect of their injured soldiers. Nightingale received a letter from the Secretary of War, who told her to organize nurses to take care of weak and fallen soldiers in the war site. Nightingale rose to her calling with a single team of 34 nurses and went to the site where her duty was assigned. She was shocked to see the overcrowded and unhygienic environment of the hospital.
अच्छा कर रही है।
Her effort and knowledge brought down the death toll of the wounded soldiers by 2 out of 3. When Nightingale returned to London,